Okay, this is the second video that you guys need to finish up your slides. There's a last slide that you guys got about doing research. I want you to see what you can find out about invasive species that are in our area rather than the ones in the other video I posted, which is about Michigan. You might notice that there are invasive species that are taken over all over the United States, and some that are focusing more in certain areas. And you don't have to look up just invasive bugs. So see what you can find. What invasive species did you find? Try to find something other than the ones that we already did today, and look up how they're affecting our ecosystem and what we can do to help. So that's what your slide is for. If you need to make an extra slide for more space, feel free to do that. And I can't wait to see what you find out. Okay. Just so you guys can see where it is. This is slide 5 or part 5, research invasive species in your area. We want to focus on Western New York, not just Amherst or anything like that. And then again, you're talking about, so what invasive species or various species did you find? Are they animals, plants, what? How are they affecting the ecosystem for number 2? And in purple, anything that we can do to help goes in number 3. And then when you guys are done with that, you're all done with today's lesson. If you have extra time, you can go watch that other video if you haven't already. And I hope you learned a lot.